Hey guys! Although we are yet to get a better picture of the upcoming OnePlus 7 specs and design, recent leaks suggest the Chinese firm will be breaking its yearly tradition by taking a leaf from Samsung with its S10 series, and Huawei with its P30 series. If the leaks turn out accurate, then the Chinese firm would end up releasing 3 different versions of the OnePlus 7 at once, and that could include the basic OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and of course a 5G variant of the Pro model. While that remains unconfirmed, a new leak from China may have hinted us about the OnePlus 7 launch and release date. In a tweet, a few days back, the leakster Ishan Agrawal released a poster of the OnePlus 7 Pro with the potential tagline, "Go Beyond Speed." And via the same tweet, the leaker revealed that the OnePlus 7 is most certainly confirmed for launch later in May. And now, according to his recent leak, the OnePlus 7's confirmed launch date is May 14. That's less than a month out, and will be a year after the introduction of the OnePlus 6. The leak also mentions that this is going to be a global launch for the phone, so mark your calendars for May 14, 2019. According to all the reports, the OnePlus 7 should feature a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 855 chipset, up to 12 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage. A triple camera setup will reside on the back with 48 plus 20 plus 16 megapixel shooters. There will be a 16 megapixels pop-up selfie camera on the front, and a 4000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging capabilities should power everything. Sadly, that is all that was revealed. However, we should begin to experience a spike in leaks, given that we are just a few weeks away from the month of May, though we expect some kind of official launch teaser, or invites from the firm in the following weeks. So that's it for this video. Let me know what's your opinion on the release date of the OnePlus 7 series. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.